Hello guys and a wonderful happy new year. Right now I'm on my way to my hotel and I want to show you my minimalist apartment room, what I call the camp. I'm living here since the last 3 months and hopefully in roughly 3 more months I will be able to move to Michigan, America, and here we are. There's my hotel and I think I will snap with my fingers and we will see us inside. Huh? Oh, that's better. I'm still working on this move. Here we are inside my hotel room, what I like to call the camp. I will show you around and talk about my minimalist thought to each area. So this is obviously a 2-person bed and I definitely would make it foldable to the wall if it wouldn't be the interior from the hotel. It needs so much space, but it's pretty comfortable though. At the window is my kitchen area. My cooking is pretty minimalist, but I try to eat healthy. I have a blender, an egg maker and a water heater. I also have a small fridge and a microwave. My pot I store here in this foldable camping shelf, and at my work I saw a colleague of mine hanging up his wires with this washer technique and I thought it's pretty cool, so I had to hang up all my kitchen plates and start with this technique as well. Most of the time I eat chicken and rice because it's super simple to make and I can't think of much more elsewise. If you might have another cooking idea for me, you can let me know, I would appreciate that. Moving from the kitchen in my office, you can see my foldable camping table. This is the place I'm using for all my productivity duties. And next beside is the table which has been already in the room. I'm using this table as my eating table. This area around my eating table is also my gym space. I used to have a gym across the street, but because of the corona lockdown we are currently facing in Germany, I brought a few weights into my room. Now I'm able to do something for my biceps. I also have this door rig to do them pull-ups. Unfortunately it's only working in the door facing the easel, but at least my neighbors can see that I'm active. I have also this TRX strap, which I'm using for back exercise in the door as well. I do them pull-ups with these plastic grips with my feet up the table. And yeah, this is pretty convenient. Sometimes I also take them with me outside on a run, so I can do them pull-ups in the forest. Pretty cool stuff. Beside the exercise I just mentioned, there are of course the exercise where you need nothing at all, for example squats or sit-ups. But anyway, this isn't a fitness video and I'm not a fitness expert, so let's move to the next room. The last room is my bathroom. Here I'm doing bathroom stuff human beings have to do. And yes, sometimes I wash my clothes inside the sink. And yes, my bathroom. Alright, this was the tour through the camp. As you might notice, I'm a huge fan of recycling things. I hardly remember any real furniture I have bought in the past. I love to create my interior by my own. Because I'm living here for a foreseeable period of time, I try to pimp my apartment with some paper boxes from the store. The advantage is that you easily can craft them and get rid of them if you don't longer need them. I also like to keep all the food containers so I can store all kinds of food inside. My minimalist journey and decluttering process had become very handy when I look at my wardrobe. Right now I have 7 underwear, 7 socks, 5 t-shirts, my sport clothings and 4 pants. 1 motorcycle pan, 1 outdoor pan and these daily jeans twice. Then I have also my normal jacket I'm wearing with Kevlar putty in the inside for minimalist protection. And I also have my gym shoes and my daily boots. Recently I also brought my suitcase with me, where I store all my outdoor gear I might need for the weekends, for some weekend adventures. I see this hotel room as a great opportunity in order to figure out what I really need at the time. And I don't need much more for my start in America neither. I'm pretty damn happy here with the circumstances and I'm pretty thankful for it. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. This is the camp. Thank you all for watching this video. I'm looking forward to take you all up to date with my moving process to America. See you all next time. Bye!